Y'all, look. How I just break a whole brush, like.
Talk to you real quick, look. Say girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. No, I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at the thigh, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date. We can smoke a little bud. You can come to my place.
Hey cuties, it's Deja and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I style my hair in this cute little crimp pink wig. This is not how I was expecting it to turn out, but it's whatever, okay? I did what I had to do, and it was my first time applying a wig like this. I did use the ball cap method, or I tried to, and this is how it turned out. If you want to see how I got this look, we're gonna get right into this video. So the wig that I have is this bob wig that I dyed myself. It was blonde. I watercolored it, and I know y'all probably looking like, girl, what is this? So it's magenta in the back, and this front part is hot pink, I think. I don't even know, but this is not even how it was supposed to turn out. It was supposed to be magenta in the back, right? Magenta on the top and the bottoms, and then this, it was supposed to be this color, not even light pink, but the dye just ran out, so it turned light pink. It was supposed to be this color in the middle right here, and magenta on the top and bottom. Obviously that didn't work out. But it don't matter. I'm still about to use this because ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just a pink wig. All the details to this wig about shedding and everything is in my AliExpress wig haul, which is on my page. I'm gonna make sure the link is somewhere on the screen so you guys can go straight to it. And we just gonna get right into putting this on. Okay, so to start, I'm gonna try this ball cap method. I'm not no type of hairstylist, y'all. I just be learning stuff off YouTube and going with the flow. Ooh. Yeah, I got a big head.
You know, Bevo Lottie got more head than he got body.
Before I put this wig cap on, I'm gonna put some edge control on here, on my edges. And most people be putting got2b to spray their edges back. But since I'm not using glue to put this on, I don't think it makes sense to put got2b on top of got2b. So I'm gonna use some edge control and some spritz. And up under here, I just got 8 braids. If y'all watch my video when I style my natural hair, y'all would know that I have really thick hair, but I don't have time to be braiding some really tiny braids, so I just put 8 braids in it. But I didn't braid them like regular braids. I braided them like, I don't know how to describe it, invertedly, if that makes sense. I really hope I don't cut myself, y'all, because I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really see. I'm just gonna cut out these 2 ear tabs. I only did this one other time, and I ain't even really know how to do it, but it's okay. Now that I cut these ear tabs out, I'm gonna pull this cap down some more. Ooh, that's hurting my ears. Y'all, I got the tiniest ears. Let me cut these some more. This should not be that tight on my head. Okay, that's better. Okay, now that this is pulled all the way down to my eyebrows, I'm gonna take my freeze blast spray. Y'all, I look so slow. I'm gonna take this red tail comb that I got and put it as a barrier. I left my blow dryer downstairs, y'all, so we gotta make it do what it do. Depending on where you want your hairline, that's where you're gonna cut the cap to. I'm gonna cut it like right here. I'm gonna cut it like right there. Then I'm gonna take this. Oh, child, okay. So now, after you get this nice little crooked hairline, okay, now it looks like this. It's dry and everything. I told y'all my ear tabs never ever stay down, so I don't even be worrying about them, because I don't be wearing my hair on the side and parts anyway. So most people, I just be watching people on YouTube, y'all. I don't even be knowing how to do this for real. But I know people be putting foundation. They be using powder foundation, but look, I don't got that, so I'm just finna make it do what it do. I don't know. Let's try this. I'm so scared, because if I waste a wig cap, here, let me. Oh, I just feel like this not gonna go well. Oh, it's so not powdery.
You are really dumb, for real.
Oh, y'all. What should I do? Okay. At this point, y'all, I'm doing anything. Where is my... I'm about to take some translucent powder, y'all, and put it on top of it and see if that helps. Let's try. Is this doing anything? Because right about now, it don't look like it. Did y'all see any difference? Because I'm not. Oh no, I see it. I'm tweaking. Okay. So this is what we get. Whatever. Next.
Next caller. Next caller. Next caller.
Okay, what am I supposed to do next? I'm not a YouTube. I'm not a wig person. I know how to put closure wigs on. That's it. I'm over it. This is what my cap look like. Let's put this on. This wig did not come plucked, y'all. I had to pluck this myself. Luckily, my friend helped me, or I would have been out of luck. For real. Because if y'all go watch my AliExpress wig haul, y'all, this wig was so thick before I plucked it. This lace is not transparent, y'all. It got like a tint to it, if y'all can tell. But overall, the wig is so freaking cute and stuff. I think I want to put my wig right here. Let me see. Y'all, look. How I just break a whole brush, like. Okay. The wig wasn't even nappy though. That's my thing. Like, look at this. How did the brush just break? And I need that. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, time to apply this. I'm literally just gonna do the same thing I did for my cap and put got to be on it. But I'm gonna use 2 to 3 layers of it. I'm gonna just spray it where I need it. Okay, y'all, for this layer, this one I like to pull my wig down to where I want it. Move it up a little bit. Right. Okay, I want it right there. So I'm gonna hold this. And press it in. I told y'all my sides never be down, so that's its own little special process within itself. And I'm gonna blow dry it on cold. Y'all, I can't see a thing without these glasses. Okay, let's see. Ooh, that part crooked. Okay. Let's see how we looking. Are we giving scalpiana or what? Are we giving hoodiana? Let me stop. Okay. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put some got-to-be, like, I'm gonna cover the edges, but I'm gonna put it like right towards the lace. I don't know how to describe. Okay, time to cut this lace. Y'all, this is exactly why I want my hair in the middle part, because y'all do not need to see them black baby hairs. I mean black edges. Okay, next side. Y'all, this one is looking like. I know y'all could, I obviously know y'all could see that lace right there. But once I pluck these baby hairs and stuff, I'm about to crimp this and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, this what we looking like, y'all. I don't know if it's giving me Doja Cat vibes or I hate this hairstyle vibes. I don't know, one of the two, y'all. I don't like the way I crimped it. I should have just curled it, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna take my hot comb. Maybe if I hot comb it back, it'll look a little better. Okay, I like that a little more. My little broke brush. I'm annoyed. Okay, this is the final product. The back looked like who did and what for, so I'm not gonna show y'all, but I think I did decent for my first time. Y'all do not mind this side. But I think I did decent for my first time putting on a wig or whatever. I really just don't like this, the way I crimped it. It's getting on my nerves, but it's okay. It's still decent, right? If y'all think I did a good job, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you like this video. Comment new video suggestions for me to do below. Share it with your friends and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications. If you're not notification gang, then you cannot hang, period. And I'll make sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye.